guys, it's Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. And today I am packing. I'm literally about to get picked up, I think in like the next 5-10 minutes. But let me pull you up to speed real quick. We are going on another trip. We're going on a road trip a little bit out of town because we're going to celebrate a wedding and I'm super excited. My outfit is right here. I got my luggage and my backpack. But one thing about me is I'm an overpacker. I'm also watching Love Island this US season. I decided to jump on it because I finished Love Island UK, the new one with like Ella and Whitney and all them. So I packed all my stuff. The one thing about me is I am an overpacker. I love to overpack. That's why I love this road trip, because I can bring whatever I want. There's no hesitation. When it's a plane, I struggle because I really have to like condense all my damn liquids and all that yada yada yada. But I'm super excited. We're going for 4 days out of town. I packed a couple outfits and I've just been trying to pack everything to get my hair right because we're going natural, which I'm super excited. I have a vision, but I do need to buy gel. So hopefully I can buy gel wherever we go, because we're gonna stop by another city first and then we're gonna go to the actual place we're gonna go. So I'm super excited. I'm super sad. Yesterday I found out that this is like a super intimate wedding, so all the girls that I thought were going are not going. So it's really just me, because the groom is more close with everybody. Like, everybody's a big group, all the girls and guys, but the groom is closer with everybody, and he had invited all his guy friends and then their +1. So the girls that like basically aren't in relationships with the guys and stuff that like I'm close with aren't going. So it's just gonna be me, and I'm gonna be in this Airbnb with my man and all his friends, but it should be funny. It should be fun. And you know what? On Saturday, I think they're going like, the guys only are going like fishing, and I'm not mad about it because I'm just gonna get some schoolwork and editing done. Y'all know I'm on my grind right now and I love my me time, so I'm not mad about it. Like, the one thing that sucks low key is like when you go on trips and like vacation and you're constantly on go, like then you need a vacation from the vacation when you come back home. You know what I'm saying? So no, I'm not mad about it at all. I'm actually kind of excited. I heard the Airbnb has a hot tub, yada, 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 all this fun stuff. But yeah. Oh, I should bring this book. I should do some reading. You know what? I always pack a book on a trip and I never read it. So I'm not going to pack that. It's too big. And I feel like I'm never going to read it. Who knows? I don't know. I might bring it. I don't know. Anyway, I'm excited to bring you guys along this whole weekend and this whole journey. It is wedding season and I'm super excited. I'm super excited for you guys to see my outfit and everything. Ah, it's so cute. My man picked it out for me. I know. And he bought it for me, which was like super, super sweet. He did not have to do that. Sorry, I thought I heard something. But yeah, I think I'm all packed up, all ready to go. I think I'm going to get ready in the car just to zhush up, since we're gonna be like running around, and I think I want to do like a get ready on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. I'm active on there. I'm trying to be more active. But yeah, I think that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoy. Yee. Ignore the scarf. We are headed on the way. My boyfriend had bought me this immunity shot, which was very sweet of him, because I'm not feeling very well. So I just took that. He missed it. And then I got this grab and go snack thing, salami, cheese, I don't know, all these. I love these type of packs. Got some cough drops, and then I also got like turmeric tea, which is apparently like an antioxidant tea when I was reading it, and it smells really good. I've never tried turmeric tea, so I'm just gonna wait for it to cool down, but we're on roads and we're on the way.
These guys gotta share a room, so I gotta make sure.
Oh yeah, make sure that. So we just got in, and this is really cool. It's like set up like a hotel, like a hotel, but look, like, okay. Let me show you. Okay, it's like this. There's a mirror here. Hey. Okay, let's go upstairs and I'll show you. Up these stairs. I haven't seen it yet, so we're gonna look at it together. It's okay. Oh, this is cute. Okay, got a whole walk-in closet. Picking our room. We're here before everyone and it's late. Okay, balcony. Oh, okay. This is such a cute layout. Let me look at the bathrooms. Y'all know I love bathrooms. Aw, this is great. Oops. Okay. And a tub. Ooh, this is beautiful. Oh, that's where the hot tub is, huh? Oh, it is. It's outside. That's very cute. Okay, sorry guys, I'm all over the place. Cute towels they have for us. Let's check downstairs. What do we got here? Just a coat closet, I'm sure. Yep. We can put our outfits in there. Okay, what's in here? Oh, it's locked. Okay, we can keep that locked. Okay, it's beautiful. Wow. And then we have this little TV room. This is awesome. What's in here? Oh, it's locked. Okay. You not pull too hard so it doesn't fall on me. I'm really bad at this house tour right now because I'm viewing this as we go. Okay, so bear with me. Beautiful, beautiful. This is such a cute clock. Okay. Aw, they got teas for us. That's great because I've been needing tea. Coffee bar. Okay, there's just coffee in there. Any snacks? No snacks? Okay. Ooh, okay. Let's check the rest. Dang, these rooms are big. Okay, we got this one. Hey, this is for 2 people. We got a cool, oh, we got some games, some board games. Awesome. TV. Okay, see the layout? This is the worst house tour ever. I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited. Okay, this cute little bathroom and this shower is gorgeous. Gorgina. And then for laundry. Aw, and if you have a little one, that's very sweet. That's it. That's the place. It's lovely. We got here really, oh, we gotta get ready now because we gotta go eat. We haven't ate all day. Yeah, that's what's going on. This feels like a vacation. I think we're only sleeping here for 1 day though. But this is super cool. We got a cute little walk-in.
It's in the back of my bag here.
What'd you buy? What is it?
I don't know, man.
Okay. Alrighty. We are at a pub. We came to eat. It is like midnight right now. This is the bathroom. I am exhausted. I have a headache. Seems we're gonna be out for a while. People are taking shots and drinking, like some of the party from the wedding. Oh, but I just want to sleep. Can't sleep, so here I am. I don't know why this lighting looks off. I look like this. We just wanted to update you guys, and the food here is ass. So, yeah. Okay, we came back from the pub at like 2 a.m. I believe. I did my hair. It is now like 5 a.m. and I finished my hair. I wrapped it up. I am heavy on trying to lay these edges. We'll see how it goes. I have a couple hours because, like I said, 5 a.m. So, ignore the hair looking a mess. I have to pee so bad. Okay, the lighting looks great here. Let me pee, tinkle. It's 5 a.m. I have to be up in like 3.5 hours because this wedding is at, we have to be there at 10:30 and I have to get ready 10. Yeah, so I think that's the most logical thing, especially with my natural hair. I say 30 minutes to an hour, so 8:30, latest 9, but 8:30 is in my head. But yeah, I'm going to bed. Good night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Wedding day. I was supposed to wake up at 8. I woke up at 9. So I'm figuring out what I want to do. If I want to do my hair first or my makeup. I think I'm gonna do my hair first because it's more important. Because if my hair is not done, it can't work, and then my makeup after. So, moment of truth. We're on the way. Look at this. Oh, oh my goodness. I'm excited. I'm excited to see a wedding. It's been a minute since I've been to a wedding. I'm excited to listen to vows and stuff, and it be all cheesy and corny. We just finished the wedding. We didn't just finish the wedding. We finished it hours ago. And we came to eat. And now we're about to leave the food. I just came to pee. But yeah, that's the vibe right now. Yeah, I'm just happy I'm fed. And I'm a little tipsy, but this trip is super fun. Look at the fit, y'all. I can have a toilet, but... And then my snake shoes. Ooh. Fine, 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 fine. Okay. Let me go. About last night. The wedding was beautiful. Last night was funny. We had like so many people come back to the house. It was a shit show. People from like another wedding came. Shit show. Literally people were falling because like the hot tub, like when people walk on that hardwood floor, you slip so easily. Yeah, anyway, so we're leaving this place today. I need to clean up all my makeup. I was interrupted. Okay, this looks crazy, but we got like half of this done, okay? And I washed my face. We're going to a different city now, or a different, we're going to a different city, which is like an hour and a half out, which is closer to our city, and we're gonna party there tonight because like this is like a really small tourist area, so there's not places to really like turn up and have fun this weekend. So we're just gonna go back home, go like closer to home, and like we got a spot there, and yeah, we're just gonna chill. I'm so sorry, I haven't kept you guys in the loop at all. I'm so bad at this. Like there's always so many people and nobody knows I have a YouTube channel. But on top of that, nobody, like I don't know if anyone wants me on film and stuff, so I'm sorry. I'm trying my best. I feel like I'm always talking to you in like a closed area and not showing you around, and I know vlogs are more fun when I'm showing you around. But anyway, it was a wedding. I'll put some clips and stuff. The wedding was fun. But yeah, that was kind of it. Let me clean this area because I'm gonna feel so good when all my shit is just packed. And if I pack on time before we leave, because we're supposed to leave here in an hour, and if we don't leave an hour and I packed up, I can take a shower. And then when we get there, I can just get ready while my boyfriend jumps in the shower. Oh, it's the perfect combo. Anyway, let me get to cleaning. I could do a time lapse, but like I don't have anything to set you up, so I'll just show you later. Before-ish, because we already got some stuff put away, but before. I wish you guys saw the room. That was a mess too. All in the trash. You know what? I love cleaning up in a hotel after I cleaned it. I just feel so good. These end slates in photo booth are, look at my nails, are so funny because it's been in like the past couple weeks of videos. So sorry. I guess when I go on a trip, I just suck at ending the vlog. I think I just get too overwhelmed and it's just a lot going on. So basically we went to the other city that I was telling you about. We went there. My boyfriend got there first, so I didn't have time to shower because when I was done packing, we left. So I was like, okay, it was great. I went to go get like a burger. We went to go get a burger and fries because I was starving. And then we went to the city, the other city. We got ready. And the next day, we got there on a Saturday, and the next day was a Sunday, and me and my boyfriend had plans to drive back to our city and feed the homeless. So we decided not to go out and just to hang out just us, which was really sweet. My boyfriend was, because they didn't do, remember I said like fishing boys trip, they didn't do that. My boyfriend was like, oh, I wish I knew, then we could have just made this a day for us. So the other boys went out like clubbing and stuff, and me and him, we just made it a day with us. I got all ready in queue, and he was like, you want to go to a hookah spot?
or something. He was like, I feel bad. He's like, you got ready. I feel bad. I feel like you want to like show off your outfit. And I was like, listen, I'm cool to just get something to eat and then go. We were trying to look for an Ethiopian spot because I was craving it and I made him crave it. And we found one. And guess what? The kitchen was closed. It was just the bar open. So we were like, damn, whatever. We found a really nice shawarma spot. Those are really good. And we got that, came home and just ate our food and watched like he watched his show and I like knocked out. I was so tired. But the one thing that happened, I accidentally ended this. But the one thing that happened is y'all know that I was already feeling a little sick. And like he watched his show and I knocked out and I woke up coughing like crazy. It couldn't stop. I was just coughing, coughing. It was like this scratch tickle in my throat that wouldn't stop. And then he started coughing and I felt bad. I was like, did it make you cough? He was like, no. He's like, I think it's this room, this hotel room. It was like really small. So he was like, it was literally like 4 a.m. And he's like, let's go outside and like take a walk. Cause we were literally just coughing. It wouldn't stop. Nothing would stop it. Go take a walk outside. It was so, literally, this is a memory that I will never forget. It was just such like a cute, it was just so cute. I thought we went downstairs, we went outside, we went on like a walk outside together at like 4 a.m. and our cough subsided. It was definitely the room and how stuffy it was. It was probably like poor air quality. And then we took a scooter together. We rode on a scooter together and we went to the corner store, Max, and we got like cough drops. We got cough syrup. We got, what did we get? I don't remember, but I'll find it and put it on the screen. We got like a cough syrup and some cough drops, some water. What else did we get? I don't remember. We got like a bunch of cute like sick things. And then we just were popping halls and scootering back to the hotel. It was so cute. I was behind him. It was scary because like I was so terrified, but I just like, he's like, I just held on to him and we just scootered back to the hotel. Literally exhausted, so tired. And we just went back to the hotel and went to bed. And then the next morning, we like woke up in the morning. He was like, we were craving Ethiopian food. We'll find Ethiopian spot before we get out. And we went and got like an Ethiopian spot, like breakfast. It was really good. And we just ate it in the car while I like fed him while he drove. We went straight to the homeless place where we were serving homeless food. And we served, I think, for 3 hours. And then I had tapped out like 10 minutes before because I just was coughing and I wasn't feeling well. And then, yeah, she dropped me off home. But that was like the trip. It was really beautiful. I was really happy. But yeah, that's it. I wish I filmed it all, but it was just so chaotic. Like my mind, I get very overwhelmed, I've noticed. I need like a filmer or something. But anyway, there's just so much restrictions too. And I just like, it's just like, there's so much restrictions. I just might as well not film, you know? Not a lot of people want to be on camera. It's just, a lot. It's just a lot. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow in a short.
Georgia time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.